Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss few topics of chapter number 15, our environment. The first topic is components of ecosystem. See, basically there are two components of ecosystem. The first one is abiotic, that means the non-living components. All the non-living things, all the non-living factors that comes under abiotic component. And the second one is biotic, the living component. Abiotic component, it includes all the physical environment like soil, water, etc. It also includes all the inorganic substances, that means all the macronutrients, micronutrients, carbon, hydrogen, boron, all these inorganic substances. Then we have climatic factors like temperature, light, pressure. It also comes under abiotic factor because they all are non-living. They come under abiotic component. Now coming to biotic components, it is further divided into three categories: producers, consumers, and decomposers. Now this division is based on the role played by organisms in an ecosystem. So the first component, producer, what role they are playing in the ecosystem? They are also known as autotrophs. They prepare food for other components. They have the capacity, they have the capability to produce food for other components. So we all know that green plants, they can synthesize their own food. They come under producers or autotrophs. Now the second component, consumers. Consumers are those organisms that directly or indirectly depends on producer for food. They are also known as heterotrophs. They are further divided into primary consumers, secondary consumer, tertiary consumer, and quaternary consumer. And the third component is decomposer. They are also known as saprotrophs. We'll be studying them in a separate video. Now, to understand all these biotic components in a better way, let us have a look at a typical food chain. Now, what I have drawn is a food chain. This food chain starts with grass. Grass is eaten by grasshopper. Grasshopper is eaten by frog. Frog is eaten by snake, and snake is eaten by hawk. Now what you see here, this chain, this sequence is showing that which organism is consuming which organism. So food chain is nothing but a feeding relationship between living organisms in an ecosystem. I repeat, it is feeding relationship between living organisms in an ecosystem, or in other way words we can say that it is the sequence of eating and being eaten up in an ecosystem. Here you can see grass is at producer trophic level. Now here a new term, trophic level, is being introduced. Trophic level. Now what is this trophic level? Trophic level means the different position occupied by organisms in a food chain is known as trophic level. Here you can see grass. Grass is occupying which position? It is occupying the position of producer. It is producing food for the food chain, for this food chain. So grass is at producer trophic level. Now grass is eaten by grasshopper. Grasshopper is directly consuming grass. So comes the next trophic level, that is primary consumer. Primary consumer is that trophic level that depends on producers directly. So which organism is at primary consumer trophic level? Grasshopper. Similarly, grasshopper is eaten by frog. This is at secondary consumer trophic level. Secondary consumer trophic level क्या होती? This is the trophic level secondary consumer is the trophic level that depends on primary consumer directly. So here you can see frog is dependent on grasshopper. Now frog is eaten by snake, which is at tertiary consumer trophic level. So tertiary consumer depends on secondary consumer, and snake is eaten by hog, which is at quaternary consumer trophic level. So trophic level, you can see, is nothing but the different position occupied by organisms in a food chain. Grass trophic level is producer. Grasshopper trophic level is primary consumer. Frog trophic level is secondary consumer. Snake tertiary consumer. Hog quaternary consumer. Fine. Now the producer trophic level. At the producer trophic level, we always have green plant. It is that organism that prepare food. And at the primary consumer trophic level, we always have a herbivore. Fine. Herbivore. And starting from here, rest are carnivore. So at primary consumer trophic level, we always have a herbivore, and from here we have carnivore, because they can't be herbivore. They are not directly dependent on plants. By definition, what is a herbivore? Herbivore is that organism that consumes plants. So only at primary consumer level we could have herbivore. Rest are carnivore. Now, then what is this omnivore? Omnivore is that organism that can occupy different trophic levels. For example, crow. Crow can feed on all these, on plant matter. A crow can feed on plant matter, so acting as a herbivore at primary consumer level. Then crow can feed on any trophic level, on all these things. A crow can feed on all these things. So an organism that occupies different trophic levels in a food chain is known as omnivore. I repeat, herbivore, they are always dependent on producers directly. So the organism that is dependent on producer directly are herbivores. They always occupy primary consumer trophic level. Fine. Now again I would like to clear the concept of trophic level. Trophic level is nothing but the different position occupied by the organisms in a food chain. See, these are different organisms. These are grass, grasshopper, frog, snake, hog. They are the different organisms in a food chain. So grass is occupying which position? It is occupying the position of producer. Grasshopper is occupying the position of primary consumer. Frog secondary consumer, snake tertiary consumer, and hog quaternary consumer. One more thing, the trophic level of an organism is not fixed. In a food chain, in this particular food chain, a snake is occupying the trophic level of tertiary consumer, but might be in some other food chain it could be at this place, so occupying the position of secondary consumer. So in a food chain, only the trophic level of producer is fixed. Green plants always come at producer trophic level. Rest, it could change. Okay. Thank you. For next topic, we'll see in the next video.